Imagine having a full-size keyboard, a smart touchscreen, and a trackpad, all in one ultra-slim device that folds and fits right in your pocket. Meet KeyGo, the game-changing folding keyboard designed for productivity on the go. With its 0 to 180-degree foldable design, KeyGo transforms from compact to fully functional in seconds. Perfect for digital nomads, students, or anyone who needs a powerful workstation without the bulk. Work day or night with 3 customizable lighting modes. Adjust brightness and color to match your style and environment. But KeyGo doesn't stop at being just a keyboard. It's packed with a built-in smart touchscreen that doubles as a control hub. Whether it's shortcuts, widgets, or quick app switching, it keeps your workflow fast and seamless. Connectivity? Easy. With USB-C support, KeyGo works flawlessly across Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it one of the most versatile tools for productivity out there. And here's the real kicker: the secondary screen support. Expand your workspace instantly, no matter where you are. Email on one screen, notes on the other. Multitasking has never been this portable. Ultra slim, portable, and designed to keep up with your lifestyle, KeyGo is more than a keyboard. It's your complete productivity companion. So if you're ready to upgrade your workflow and take productivity anywhere, the KeyGo Ultra-Slim Folding Keyboard is waiting for you. Don't just type, work smarter, faster, and better. Check out the link below to grab yours today.